done. And it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. In God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he'll be satisfied is when he's on the drum. Give it up for Bill Cornish on keyboards, everybody. Tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in a house of the rising sun. The ruin of many a poor boy. In God I know I'm one.
Mr. Jay Gebner, ladies and gentlemen.